Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog, but this time I'll be doing an unboxing and product review on this running shoes called AlphaBounce by Adidas. And before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the running shoes with my own money. Now on to the unboxing. Okay, so you have the regular wax paper. Okay. This is mesh. Honestly, I bought this from Models. Now, for those who don't know, Models are no longer in business. They filed for bankruptcy. I don't know when. I don't know if the pandemic had something to do with it. Let's move along. It says AlphaBounce on the side, Adidas on the side. Now this feels like mesh. Okay, soft mesh. All right. Now this part right here feels like rubber or plastic. Some kind of flexible plastic. The laces are nylon. Okay. The tongue mesh. This is like fox, leather fox. Um, no, see that's the bottom. Okay, so just gonna check out the insole. Okay, says Adidas here. It's a little thin, and it says bounce on the inside. This looked like a reflective type of material, and this is the pulley. Okay, this is the other half. So it's actually light. It feels light mesh. Um, in a few minutes, I'm going to try this on for y'all. So I think everything is mesh. Like even this part here is mesh. This is not mesh. This is like plastic. The sole, it feels like a hard foam. The pattern, you know, you have the Adidas logo on the bottom. You know, it's different. It's really different. Honestly, I didn't even try this on. I just went ahead and copped it. I didn't even try it on. I wasn't in that place for a long time. I saw these box and you know I snatched it up. And also on the tongue, I don't know if you see that, it says AlphaBounce. It's flexible in this part here. One thing's for sure, Um, this kind of helps with the ventilation because it has mesh. If you look through from the inside out through the tongue, you could practically see through it, but not really. But you could tell it has nice ventilation design for a running shoes. Okay. Now this mesh here, it seems double layer. Yeah, it is double layer because I cannot see uh, my fingers. This is hard mesh, but it's the patterns feels hard. So yeah, there you go. So for my observation, the laces are reflective as the light hits the um, the laces is reflecting. Also, what I've noticed, maybe the inside, the inside of in between these mesh are also reflective as well. All right. So this is the side, how it looks on the side. I like the tan look, you know. And this is the back. And another view from the side. My final thoughts. First and foremost, it's comfortable. I don't want to compare this with the GT 2000 by ASICS, but it's damn near that comfortable, yes. Also, the mesh material makes my feet feel secure. And three, I got these babies at a discounted price. And I'm happy about it. You know, I came in at the right time. All right. So, yeah, there you go. That's my final thoughts. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Hey world, check out www.dosos.clothing. And as you know, I do custom embroidery now, such as this hat. I did it. I got the machine. Holla at me. I did this, myself. You know, what am I doing? And in the back, you know, I do custom embroidery. As you know, we are in the month of October. It's starting to get chilly out there. We got the long sleeves, we have the crew necks, and also the pull-up hoodies. So don't forget to check out www.dosos.clothing. And for those who are interested in buying and selling real estate properties, don't hesitate to get in contact with me. My contact information is located in the description of this video. For the first time home buyers, I can guide you through the process. As you know, I am licensed in New York State as a real estate salesperson. So, once again, anyone who's interested in buying and selling or even renting, whether commercial or residential properties, don't hesitate to get in contact with me. Thank you. Once again, this is ML from Kadirs.tv. Hello, world. Bye, world. Peace.